15 mistakes that will cause you to fail the DMV driving test. 1. Making rolling stops during your DMV road test is one of the most frequent mistakes to avoid. During the road test, many motorists decelerate but do not actually come to a complete stop. You must halt completely and remain behind the line of separation. Make sure you halt prior to the line. 2. Improper lane changing. It's not particularly challenging to indicate your intention to change lanes, then check your mirrors and blind area before changing lanes, but people frequently fail to do it, especially during the DMV test. Make sure to switch lanes correctly. When your DMV test instructor instructs you to change lanes, look first, activate your signal, check your side and rear view mirrors, swivel your head to check for a car, truck, or motorcycle in your blind zone, and then change lanes only when it is safe to do so. Keep your speed up and be mindful of the vehicles in front of you. 3. Poor steering coordination. During your exam, it's crucial to show that you are comfortable behind the wheel, but avoid driving with one hand. When feasible, keep both hands on the steering wheel. Make hand-over-hand turns, then glide out of the turn gradually. 4. Distracted driving. Turn off your audio and cell phone while taking your driving exam. Although it should go without saying, a surprising number of test takers find themselves thinking or fidgeting while they are taking the test. Keep your attention on the work at hand and on the road. 5. Confusion at four-way stops. If there are other cars waiting at the intersection when you approach a stop sign intersection, particularly at a four-way stop, make sure you know what to do. When it's your turn, move. If you are turning, be sure to announce your intentions. Usually, if two vehicles arrive at a junction simultaneously, the vehicle to the right moves forward. 6. Improper freeway merging. It's rare that the person administering your DMV exam will take you onto the freeway, but in the event that it does, be prepared to safely merge into moving traffic from the entry ramp. Instead of merging, many novice drivers stop at the end of the ramp, creating a dangerous situation. 7. Driving too slowly. It's crucial to project confidence when taking your DMV test. Driving well below the posted speed limit out of excessive caution can put you and other vehicles in danger. 8. Driving too fast for the circumstances. There are instances when exceeding the posted speed limit is not safe. Reduce your speed to a safe level if it is raining, foggy, there is an accident, or traffic is heavy. 9. Changing lanes at an intersection. Whether you are turning or continuing straight, never change lanes at an intersection. Never change lanes in an intersection, even if the lane is clear and you are abiding by all traffic regulations. To change lanes safely, wait until you have passed the intersection. 10. Braking too hard. Check to see how soft or hard the brakes are in the vehicle you'll be driving for your DMV test. In an emergency, hard braking is allowed, but while slowing down or stopping, apply just enough brake pressure to get the job done without sending you and your passenger flying forward. 11. Trailing too closely. Make careful to maintain a safe distance from the traffic in front of you. Maintain a safe distance so that you have enough time to react if the car in front of you swerves or brakes to keep you and your passengers safe. 12. Speeding. Even if other cars are traveling at a quicker speed, maintain your own speed. Especially in construction zones, school zones, and other specific speed limit regions, pay attention to changes in the posted speed limit. 13. Parallel parking. The primary things to watch out for while parallel parking: if your state mandates it, are not hitting other cars or running over the curb. The curb can be touched, but don't roll over it. As long as you don't crash into another vehicle or the curb too strongly, you should pass the test even if you lose points for failing to parallel park your automobile. 14. Not checking mirrors. It is wise to check your mirrors more frequently during your road DMV test than you would typically do when driving. Many people taking their driving test utterly neglect to frequently check their side mirrors and rear view mirror. Additionally, even if you are not changing lanes, it is always a good idea to be aware of where other vehicles are in relation to you. 15. Car failure. Verify that the vehicle you bring for the practical DMV exam conforms with all applicable safety regulations. It shouldn't have cracks in the windshield. The seat belts must function. Make that the windshield wipers, turn signals, tail lights, and headlights all work properly. Clean the inside and outside of your car to remove any debris or other objects that can slide around and create dangerous driving conditions. Also, make sure your windows are clean for the best view. You will need to retake the exam if your car does not meet the requirements.